let's make breakfast. So I'm gonna make these sausage patties. I'm gonna put them in my air fryer. While my sausage is cooking, I'm gonna make some coffee. Just smell like the pod coffees. There's my coffee. And does it smell good? There's my sausage. So for breakfast, I'm just gonna have the sausage and some more bread to dip with my coffee. Not really a breakfast person, but yeah. So I like to eat my sausage with a little bit of syrup.
Mommy. Mommy, I bet you the sweeps.
Come with us to see the falls. This is my girl's very first time. I always grew up around here, but I never came to come see them until my early 20s. Ada, you like the waterfall? Yeah, you like the noises? Crybaby Mochi. You know, Mochi. She wants to get inside the water. Mochi. Yeah, Mocha swim. Yeah. They're bass or they're either catfish.
They're just babies right now.
Catch them. Eat.
Yeah, Mom.
Yeah.
My daddy.
We're finally leaving after an hour, like a half. This little girl didn't want to leave. Look, my little girl saying there's trash and she wants to pick up the trash.
Yeah.
People don't know how to pick up their messes. At her. She's trying to pick up the trash. She got mad because people left the trash. Bye. See you later. Next, we decided to go down the road and get some cheeseburgers and some ice, and have my little girl ride the little choo-choo. Bye. Did you like the chat? Was it fun? There's that string. No. Look. Oh, look, you guys. Get that. Pretend we're on the choo-choo. And pretend we're on the choo-choo. Yeah, you pretend. The little tin box. No. To bury you. You want me to bury you? What kind of ice cream did you get? What kind of ice cream did you get? What did you get? M&M's and some gummy bears. Ooh, oh, butterfly. No, gummy bears. They're yummy. Yeah.
You want mommy? Oh, those ones are?
Yeah.
And why did you kill one?
No, that was already dead on the curb.
Okay.
The cat killed it. That's what she said. Mean kitty killed her butterfly.
Okay. Nothing happened. Daddy's got to go pee, princess.
If someone tells you what's in your pocket, these nuts. Girl finds acorns. She's stuffing them in your pockets. My pockets are already full.